Hello and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D. And today we are doing a lock update on Baby Girl. It's been quite some time since her last tutorials. As you can see on her face, she's not the biggest fan of getting her hair done. So to spare us both, I tried to limit both of our suffering and not record every style because recording takes a lot of time because you got to make sure everything's in focus and it makes the process even longer. So yeah, but she was in a great mood today and allowed me to record this tutorial. Thank goodness. So as you can see, I am blow drying her hair because I like for her hair to be completely dry before I style it. As I had mentioned earlier, she is 20 months lock. Well, almost 20 months lock. She'll be 20 months in 2 weeks, but it is pretty much 20 months. But yes, this is what we're working with. As you can see, they're still budding throughout her locks. Her roots are nice and healthy. Her locks are beautiful. Not much has changed. We're just going with the flow and just admiring this beautiful journey because this is definitely a beautiful journey. To lock in that moisture, we're going to add some Dr. Lock Lock Oil. That's like a little tongue twister, Dr. Lock Lock Oil. But yes, we're going to add a little bit of this to our hair to add some moisture back and begin the styling. And as always, I'm using my locking gel to retwist her hair. You guys know this is my jam. This is my jammy jam. If you're interested in this product, I will have the link listed below. Alrighty, so I have finished retwisting her hair and now I am just unraveling that fresh retwist because we are going to begin styling. And the style that we are going to do today, of course, is going to be super simple because baby girl, she don't play them games. Homie don't play that. So we're going to keep it simple, okay? And the style that we're doing today is a baby pineapple. I think this style is super cute, easy, and yeah, why not? So you want to start off by taking all of the hair in the front and pulling it up into a ponytail. So this will be the first of 2 ponytails. And I will explain the need for 2 ponytails later. Just do what I say. Once you have secured the first ponytail, you want to begin gathering the hair in the back and pulling it up towards the first ponytail. Doing a 2-in-1 ponytail prevents pulling in the back or in the front for the shorter locks. So that's a little tip that I learned from my loctician. Once you have both ponytails, you want to take a large rubber band and just tie those 2 ponytails together and boom, you got a nice big ponytail. Now from here, I really don't know how to do a pineapple. I was just experimenting. So as you can see, all I did was just wrap it around and it started forming this little bun thing, and we're just going to play around with it from there. And now I'm just going to add a few extra rubber bands to the mix, just trying to collect all those loose locks at the top and, you know, just trying my best. I have no idea what I'm doing, to be honest. I'm literally just seeing what will happen. And, you know, this method seemed to work. I don't know if this is the correct way to do a pineapple, but it seemed to work. So all I kept doing was wrapping the locks around and just adding rubber bands until it formed the shape that I wanted it to form. But I am going to take a quick break from that pineapple and focus on the side. I'm just going to do a simple 2-strand twist and secure it with a rubber band. After many rubber bands later, I finally got the shape that I like. So yes, we are done with this pineapple. And we're just going to add a little bit of mousse to her edges for a nice, clean, crisp look. Like I want her to look like she just stepped out of Coco Chair, okay? And you can use any brand of mousse for this part. It really doesn't matter. But once you are done applying your mousse and your wrapping papers, you just want to add a little heat to help with the drying process. And boom, you should come out with nice crispy edges looking like $1,000,000. Ooh, ooh, yes. There we go. This is my interpretation of a baby pineapple. And I have to say, not too bad at all. I am pretty proud of myself. If you guys did like this tutorial, please remember to give me a big thumbs up because it really does help out our channel. Subscribe while you at it because we would love for you to come back again. And hit that notification bell so your don't be late to the party. And that's pretty much all I need you to do for me. But you know, Troy is over this video. I'm pretty much over this video. You know, I couldn't even get a proper outro with this child. But until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube watching another crazy video of mine, bye bye.